Did you know that children with ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, do not suffer from purely inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity? They also suffer from a lack of internal motivation. They want to do it, but they just can't bring themselves to. You know that old saying in the Bible, the soul is willing, but the flesh is weak? This is really what happens to these children with ADHD. So if you do have a child diagnosed with ADHD, you need to kind of help them break down the activities. You need to give them constant reinforcements. You need to give them constant motivation to get the task done. What we end up doing as parents is that we assign them a task, and we come back when the task is not done or the task is done in a bad way, and we come in to actually problem solve, which pretty much is shouting at the child, telling them why they can't get it right, and the child is completely confused because they want to do it, but they just cannot bring themselves to do it perfectly. They cannot focus on the task at hand. So if you do have a child with ADHD, it makes more sense for you to kind of chart out the plan for your child, for you to be there while your child is doing it, so that you are solving the problems as you go along and not, turning it into some big issue at the end of it and, causing confusion for you and pain for you and your child. So if you have a child with ADHD, please try to first break the tasks down and help them through it. More tips in the caption.